Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Yeah, just a quick update after the daily candle close. So it was quite a volatile day. Bitcoin didn't do much, but as I said in the previous video, Bitcoin just moving sideways was quite good for the altcoin sector actually. Now Bitcoin is dipping a little bit. We have to see how deep this pullback is going to be. I shared with you in the previous update. I mean, again, remember this is just a 30-minute chart, 1 hour chart video. So I explained to you in the last videos that until we really break below 85k here, this swing low from Tuesday the 12th, I am still watching for potentially another high, right? I mean, the last pullback was corrective, was a 3-wave move that is not clearly bearish. The problem was the rally was also in 3 waves, so it's not clearly bullish. It's just at best, I'd say indecision, that we see here. Just consolidation below the all-time high. I mean, it's not a problem, right? Even a 10-15% pullback wouldn't be bearish. It would simply allow for a bit of a cool down. Market is quite overheated in the short term, which is kind of normal in crypto in a bullish market, but that would send us down into this Fibonacci support area, which however is only confirmed once we break below 85k. So as long as we're above 85k, I see the potential for one more high. I've got actually quite a direct Elliott Wave count for this, but it's just a micro count. It's not reliable. Below 85k, likely here into this area, and then possible recovery from there. These are the two potentials that I'm watching in the very near term, very short term. And so 85k is the pivot between the two, short-term bullish, short-term bearish. And in the very short term, I've even shared my idea, but it's really only an idea. It's not anything that, I mean, this is just, a possible diagonal pattern, right? So the idea is maybe a wave 4 bottomed here on the 14th of November. And then this is a wave 1. This could be a wave 2. Then because this move up is a 3-wave move, the third wave, would also be a 3-wave move, and it could be an A, B. And in that B wave, we have an A, B, C itself. Then we could rally in wave 3, then 4, then 5. So I communicated already on Discord to our gold members that there is some weak support there, right? It's weak support between 88,580 and 89,786, but it's weak. And it's for that B wave pullback. B wave support areas are always weak. I haven't even labeled it because I have run out of wave degrees, so detailed this wave count, but there's, I have not no confidence, but little confidence in this wave count, because it means, even if we break below 88,581, I mean, we know that B waves can go a little bit lower, no problem. Even if we break below this swing low from Friday, I mean, maybe this wave 4 is just resetting. So it's not so, I think, I just see it as a range at the moment with 85k as key support. And obviously you have these previous swing lows and Fibonacci support to watch. Also this trend line, I can remove the green trend line now. I don't think we need that anymore. Try to keep the chart clean. I can also take this out. And then we just have this yellow line to watch. I mean, if it breaks below that, okay, and very likely we're going to test 85k then. But overall, what we can do as well is just this local range here to add the VRVP volume profiles. See, there's some point of control around 90,100 in the middle of the support area, so pay attention to that level. There's another small spike around 87,900 that might be worth watching. There's a bit of a gap below that, so not much going on there. So these are the two levels I would watch specifically from a volume point of view, which could add some or act as some support, just some clusters of support. And yeah, overall that means because the pullback also is in 3 waves so far, we can watch for some micro support in this orange support region, but as I said, it's not reliable, and it would still take a break above 91,960, which is the previous swing high and the 138% extension, to indicate we're on our way to 95k, maybe even 97k next. And it would be a diagonal though, so it would be quite messy. And important is also to understand that maybe already a break above that last swing high here at 91,430 could indicate that we are starting the move up. And I can't really give you a target yet because I really need to see if we find some support here. But if it, if Bitcoin moves sideways, in this range, then the altcoins, they now get a bit of a pullback. They react again quite quite volatile ways just now, which is okay. The market was very hot today, very overheated. So at the moment, I see this just as a bit of a consolidation. So that's the update about Bitcoin. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And also, if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. So in our membership, you can access additional short-term updates, Tradingview live charts. I've now also started to upload a video series for members, especially due to the current market, conditions, about, what about an exit strategy for the bull market? What if you feel, left out, chasing? What if you missed the boat? And I will add videos in the coming days for members. So thoughts about how to strategically navigate the current market. We want to talk about profit taking strategies, things like that. All of that will be provided. If you are joining as a member, you can check them out. I'm just saying, I create these videos because a lot of people ask these questions in the comments. I get them from our members, and it's best to just create a playlist to answer these questions to the best of my abilities. Yeah, that's the update about Bitcoin. So have a great Sunday. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.